Our viewers may be surprised to learn that diabetes trails only heart disease and cancer as a leading cause of mortality in the United States. Now, while it's true that there is no known cure for diabetes, Dr. Solomon, your findings suggest that as many as 4 out of 5 diabetes sufferers can find some relief by incorporating a steady regimen of Noni juice.
That's right. We looked at 5,575 people who had diabetes and who drank Tahitian Noni juice. Of those, 82% said, there's no question about it, it helped me in some way. The average that they drank was 3 ounces a day.
My son Joshua was diagnosed with diabetes at the age of 3. And one of the things that they do when you have diabetes is send you in for regular checkups. Every 3 months we go in for a clinic. And this is just to assess for complications and make sure things are running smoothly. One of the tests they do at those clinics is called the glycohemoglobin A1C test. And this tests your blood over the past 3 months to see what your average blood sugar reading has been. The goal is to be under 8%. And when we got Josh's reading back that month, it was over 14%, which puts him in a high-risk category. And the entire management team came in and sat down with us, and we talked about what we could do different, and which was hard because he was so young that trying to keep everything going was really a struggle for us. And shortly after we left, and as we were deciding what we were going to do at home to make things work a little better, I was introduced to Tahitian Noni juice. And as we talked about it, we just thought it's worth anything right now is worth trying if it's going to help. So we started giving Josh 2 ounces every day, and he thought that was a real treat because he wasn't used to having juice. And so he was so happy to take his 2 ounces, and he actually drank it right out of the bottle, just enjoyed having his own bottle and his own thing that he got to do. So for 3 months, he regularly took his juice every day. And when we went back in for our clinic and got our A1C reading, it was at 7.4%, and everyone was amazed. The entire team came back in and said, we've never seen a glycohemoglobin cut in half in a 3-month period, and what have you done different? And as my husband and I sat there and thought, the only thing we could think of that we had done differently was to be using the juice. And they were amazed. They were amazed by the juice. We actually left a bottle there with them because they were so amazed at what it had done. And we really enjoyed the juice. Josh still takes it. He's 12 now, so he's taken it for this many years. And we've noticed a lot of benefits from it, not just his lower blood sugar readings, but also an increase in health. It's strengthened his immune system and done a lot of great things for him, both as a diabetic and just as a healthy child. I would recommend it to people with children with diabetes, but also just kids in general. All my kids take it now, and we feel like it's been good for all of our children health-wise.